time. If we could see 100 years ago the things that we are doing now, we would think that it is an impossible dream. Imagine for a moment being able to walk out onto a beautiful beach at sunset. Take a picture that captures with incredible detail that special moment, and then send that digital image off almost instantaneously to a printer. A printer like Magna that can freeze that image into a huge sheet of luminous metal. That's the magic of this incredible time that we live in. And that is why our business is so exciting to be involved with. As a photographer and a printer, working with metal prints has been a very exciting endeavor. No other print medium has the luminosity and glow of a metal print. After 14 years of working with this remarkable art medium, it is still a thrill to walk back into our shop and see our customers' images come to life on our metal.
It was originally designed because of the archival value, but it stuck around for the look. And that's really what makes the metal prints so incredible, and that's why everybody loves them. When you're looking at a metal print, and this is part of the interesting thing, is they look three-dimensional, and that's something that everybody says about them. The reason they look three-dimensional is they actually are three-dimensional. There's a coating, and when you're looking at these prints, the light is bouncing through the coating and back out at you, and as thin as that coating is, it has a dimension, and you literally are looking at a three-dimensional product. And that's what gives it the glow, and that's part of what gives it that incredible effect. We pride ourselves in working with the artists, working with the photographers on getting things right, because things don't always turn out 100% right, and sometimes you need to work with the image, work with the person, and work with them to get it perfect. And that's what we're about here. We really pride ourselves in the quality. We always put the quality first, only second to the customer service. So the way the process works, the process is called sublimation. And the inks that are in the solid phase in the paper, they skip the liquid phase, they go right into the gas phase, and those vaporized gases infuse themselves into a coating on the surface of the metal. There's an incredible amount of steps to go to the process. I would say 7 to 10 people that sees a metal print before it goes out. So it starts with a paper transfer. The metal then gets placed onto the paper transfer, and we heat those two elements into our heat press to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There's about a ton of pressure that's being applied. Once that is done, the press comes down. The person takes the hot print out of the press. Cuts the print, another person then sands the print, and then from there it goes to be washed and then also inspected. From the cleaning there, the print is ready to be mounted. We have all sorts of mounts. There's an incredible amount of framing, some really elegant frames. So we have, I would say, kind of 3 different categories. There's our standard hanger, and we have a couple different types of hangers depending on the size of the print. And then we have our frames, which are a lot more elegant, a lot nicer. And then there's kind of the bridge option, which is really nice, that gallery mount, which is priced very similar to a hanger, but really gives you a lot of the benefits of the frame, which is really nice. We have been doing this process longer than anybody. Where there are a lot of other companies that have gotten involved, we have a lot of proprietary things that we use with the metal printing process.